Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to multiply and divide two fractions. First, we'll do the multiplication one. The example I've used for this is 1/2 multiplied by 2/3. To work it out, first draw a box like this, then split it into two halves for its halves that's over here. Then it's only one of the halves that's in the fraction, so we'll shade in one of the halves. Then the second fraction is 2/3, so we'll split it into 3 rows. There, so 1, 2, and 3. And it's 2 of these thirds that's set in the fraction, so we'll circle 2 of these rows. Now, to get the answer to this, first, to find the numerator, it will be the amount of boxes that are shaded in the circle. So it's 1 and 2, that's the amount of boxes shaded in the circle. So it would be 2 as a numerator. And the denominator would be how many boxes there are altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer to 1/2 multiplied by 2/3 is 2/6. Now, if we were to do it the algorithm way, it would be done like this. First, I'll just repeat the question. First, draw a vinculum that's longer than usual, then multiply the two numerators, and the same for the denominators. 1 times 2 equals 2, and 2 times 3 equals 6. The answer to 1/2 multiplied by 2/3 is 2/6, and it says that at both places. Now we'll do the division one. The example I've used for this is 1/4 divided by 3/5. To find the answer, first draw a box, then split it into 4 parts. So and there, now it's 4 parts. Now since it's one of these quarters, we'll shade in one of these parts. Now the second fraction is 3/5, so we'll split it into 5 rows. And there, now there's 5 rows. Now it's 3/5, so we'll circle 3 of these rows. The answer to this question will be the number of shaded parts, so the squares that are shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will be the numerator, so 5 is a numerator, and the denominator will be the amount of boxes that are circled, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there, the answer to 1/4 divided by 3/5 is 5/12. Now, if we were to do it the algorithm way, it would be done like this. First, I'll just repeat the question. To do this, first, we'll draw a bigger vinculum, then we'll multiply the numerator of the first number and the denominator of the second number. So 1 multiplied by 5, 1 and 5, and multiply the other two numbers, which are 4 and 3. So 4 multiplied by 3. The answer to this will be 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and it's 5/12 at both places. So the answer to 1/4 divided by 3/5 is 5/12.